What's up, guys? We recently finished reading and annotating our most recent set of class readings on the theme of racial identity. Five different texts, each with very different characters and ideas contained within them. Now it's time to dive a little bit deeper into our understanding of those texts. We're going to do that using an activity called a Pick 2. We've done Pick 2s in class before, but in case you need a refresher, here's how they work. In a pick two, you're given a range of different options to choose from, and your job is to select two of the options to complete. Once you've selected your options, you review the instructions for that assignment, complete the work, and then you fill out the self reflection Google form, which is linked right here, and then you turn the entire assignment into Google Classroom. So let's talk about the options that you have to choose two from. Option number one is a Google Doc. On the Google Doc, you will find a series of tables with clippings from each of the five class readings. Underneath, you will find a table where you're being asked questions about that part of the text. Your job is to respond to four of those tables. Option number two is the music lab. When you go to option number two, you're going to be asked to write a musical composition using Chrome Music Lab about one of the class readings that we did in this text set. You also have to provide an explanation for how your musical composition reflects the ideas contained in the text. That's option number two. Option number three is a Jamboard. On the Jamboard, you will see various clippings from each of the texts, along with a series of questions. This is a great place to respond to your classmates because on the Jamboard, you have the ability to respond to the things that your classmates post. That's option number three. Option number four is a Flipgrid. We've learned a lot about racial identity from the text that we've read and the impact that it can have on people. Option four requires you to create a public service announcement for the HCHS student community using some of the information that you've learned from the text. And option five is a Google Slides assignment where you can take the template that's provided for you and deeply analyze one of the characters from the text. Those are the five options. I encourage you to go ahead and look at each one before you make your decision. This assignment is due by the end of the hour, so don't waste any time. Pick your two options, and I can't wait to see what you come up with today's racial identity pick two.